it is.
Whoop, there it is.
We're back.
Hi.
Firefly hook, Ellie inspired. What's up? Just in case you forgot who we were. We kind of forgot who we were.
We don't remember.
Who are we anyways? Oh.
We know nothing.
Okay, we're gonna punch needle. Okay, so I have not even opened my stuff yet. But I didn't buy my stuff from a lady. I was cheap and bought it from Amazon. That smells terrible.
Don't smell it. It's been in plastic. My yarns.
Seriously, it smells like...
I don't want to smell it.
Smell it. It smells like your laundry that's been sitting in there too long.
Oh, gross.
Yeah.
Gross.
Gross. So sick.
Ew.
So how much do you know about punch needling, Abby? Tell us.
Well, we found... What are they called? Mini masterpieces? Is that the Instagram handle?
You found it.
Yeah.
So I know nothing, actually.
So I found, this punch needle person on Instagram and watch all our videos. But we were watching punch needling before and we were like, dude.
So do you do the contrast color first of what you want to make?
No, it doesn't matter.
No? I don't know what I
do it on
want to
top.
What?
I just did my tree first and now I'm doing behind and then I'm going to do the flowers.
You're doing flowers? Look at her go. So she's just pushing through.
I know. It gets annoying sometimes if you don't have
So what happened here then?
Well, if you don't have a slack,
Oh, you gotta
it just
have
pops
slack.
back out. So if I hold this,
Oh,
it just comes out.
Oh. And how do you know which thing to use?
I don't know. I haven't quite figured that out yet. I think it
just means how much more.
it makes it this on the other side.
Oh.
So like these ones I was using a short and these ones I was using the tall on here.
Can you tell the difference on the front?
No, because it's just how far you pull it up. So
Oh.
that's the other thing I don't know. What's the front and back? I don't know. We're just figuring out the function of it.
We're figuring this out
You
together.
just gotta do it and then
So,
you can read more about it.
If I
That's
do
me.
this through here, and then I can come back over it and do a different thing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, let's do that. Let's do that, peeps.
And we're just trying it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like I tell my students
What?
in
I'm a
crochet.
perfectionist, Abby.
It can't be.
This
Just
is why I
let
pull
it
out all my work and redo
Go.
it.
Let it
Let it
go.
But I can't. Okay, so which one's the bigger? Is D bigger and A smaller, I
Yep.
assume?
Just like with bras. Same thing. With this.
But I want a B bra. But sorry, you stuck with a D.
Go big or go home.
Let's try C, just to be safe. Okay, I'm scared.
Just poke it in there. It's gonna be okay.
Here we go. This is not the right fabric, I don't think.
It's fine. Stick it in there again, but you have to let this hang out.
Okay.
Yeah, no, try it. Just do it gentle though. Oh no.
What's happening? I don't think I have the right fabric for this.
That's what happens when you buy from Amazon.
See? I shouldn't have bought from Amazon.
It's hard at the beginning. It's okay. It's fine.
It's super hard because
It's muy difícil. I think that's way too long. That's not gonna work. Maybe it's the opposite of a bra. D is shorter. I don't get
Oh,
it.
I see. Yeah. So you have more to push in. This is a very... I'm going to edit that out, but this is a very awkward conversation. Literally everything we say sounds dirty.
You should say punch needling. It's not your grandma's punch needling.
Not your grandma's punch.
That we can
This
use.
is not working.
Okay, let me see.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
This is.
Do you really?
Okay. You're pulling it out way too far. We didn't even have wine.
I know. Who needs wine to have fun?
You just have to lift it out a little. I lost that one.
Oh,
Though.
you
You
lost
see
it.
that? But just and then stop.
Oh.
But I think to get going, yeah.
It's still...
my gosh,
Weird.
it's making giant holes.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Let's just give you some of my fabric. No, take that out of there. Give me your hoop.
I will. No. Whoop! There, it's not.
Alright. Then we'll see what the deal is.
Let's see if this works.
We'll work on the same fabric. I won't even cut it right now. It's so big, it's fine.
You can even pull mine out later.
But we're just gonna try.
That stinky fabric, go bye-bye.
Maybe once we get the hang of it, so we'll still get all
Sag.
loose. It's all saggy. There's nothing usable in this video.
It's gotta get deleted.
The whole thing.
No. What am I doing wrong?
So you're just pulling it up too far. And then hold that. I think to get it going, it takes just a second. There you go. It was annoying at first. I was like, I can't do this. It's not working. And then go straight up and down because you're going at an angle.
Oh, you don't want me to go at an angle?
Otherwise, I think it pulls it out. Oh, the yarn just... It's really ornery until you get the hang of it.
I'm ornery.
Yeah. And if you mess up, you have to go in a different spot. Otherwise, it will just
I feel like
keep coming apart. I try to say things in such a way that
I'm trying not to sound dirty.
it's not innuendo.
Innuendo. Okay, this is what I've got so far. Just that I'm going around the circle.
And I started mine a long time ago.
Yeah, look at her. She's got a tree
I have a tree.
going, and she's got blue sky.
Blue
Or
sky.
it's wonderful.
We'll see what happens.
BRB. Update.
Update time.
Where we at? This is about how far I am. Almost filled in. Still don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Creativity hasn't hit my brain yet. Still trying to figure out how to just do this thing.
How to do it.
Look at Abby's, it's all filled in!
I love my sky.
It looks so cool.
See what happens next.
Now we just gotta make more. We did it.
We did it. We did a thing one time.
We did a thing one time.
Oh my goodness.
Here's Abby's with her flowers on her trees. So wonderful.
Come here, kitty.
And then this one's, see, our thing's attached because you remember mine was creepy and weird. And then here's mine with I did little flowers, just a few.
So cute.
With a little border. It's very messy.
It is a lot more work than I thought it would be.
Yeah. It's really
For sure.
weird. I still don't understand it. Like, how is this not
Show
gonna
them the
just...
backside.
Yeah, here's the back. What I want to know is, like, how is it... It looks the same as the front. I mean, minus that these are a little bit more messy because these are the parts that were punched through.
Right.
But I'm just, like, wondering how it's not going to just get all pulled out of place. Like, if I pull this, will it just pull everything?
Yeah, that's why they glue it.
Oh, people glue it.
That's what
Tell
I was
us.
telling you.
Okay, tell us, everybody.
But I don't know anything more than that. I guess they put glue on this side
Oh, well,
to secure it. Like Elmer's glue. Just like, and then they glue it.
Oh.
And then it doesn't come on this side. So if you hung it on the wall, it wouldn't ever come out.
That makes sense.
But if you're going to use it for something else, then you can glue it. We'll have to find out more about punch needling and give an update. But that's what we did. We tried a thing.
We tried a thing. Look at us trying new things.
There it is. It's like
did it.
painting with yarn. I think
It
it's kind of
is.
fun, but
It is like painting. It's fun, but it's just weird. I don't know. how
more
to say-
stressful than we thought it would be.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. There we go. We tried something new.
We did.
We rock.
We say goodnight, say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.